English 3. Thought Past Preserve. Inventions by Grabando. I have created to reduce waste cream. In old time, this system was used for paint tubes. With this system, a lot of money was saved. The problem of leaving cream without leaving the tube was also solved. They have been created in different materials and created in different ways. With these inventions, tube content was lost. Many designs were invented. With this, the tube was emptied better and more easily. People have bought thousands of these inventions. Many people have been satisfied with this product. Thank you.